Hey everyone, welcome to CyberCK. Today we have something really exciting, Samsung's brand new Galaxy Flip 6. It is the latest foldable from Samsung and I can't wait to dive in. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow for more tech related content. Alright, let's get started with First things first, let's take a look at the packaging. Samsung has gone with the minimalistic design, which makes sense considering foldables don't come with a lot of accessories anymore. You have got the Flip 6 branding and a subtle imprint of phone's outline. The packaging gives you the premium vibe right from the start, which I absolutely love. Alright, let's open it up. Always a satisfying moment. First thing we see is the phone itself wrapped in neatly protected film. I'm going to set aside just for a second to see what else is there inside. There is not a lot in here. Samsung has been cutting down on including the accessories to reduce the weight. Alright, let's open it up. Alright, you get a USB-C to C cable but no charging brick. That's something to keep in mind. You have the usual quick start guide and a SIM ejector tool. So it's pretty minimalistic package, right? But let's be real, you are here for the phone, alright? Okay, so let's keep these things aside and I'm gonna show you the phone next. Here it is, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, all in its glory. The first thing you notice, how premium it feels in the hand. It's compact when folded. You can easily slip this in your pocket. Color I have here is silver shadow and it's absolutely stunning in person. Now let's try to fold it once again and see how premium it looks. I am in love with the design. The 6.7-inch AMOLED display just pops when you open it up, and I can already tell it's going to be fun to use. Let's start it up and see how it boots up. Okay, so here we see Samsung Galaxy secured by Knox. Okay, here you have the welcome screen. Let's talk about some of the features real quick. First up, you have got the 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display, which Samsung is known for. Okay, here is the cover display. I'm absolutely in love with this. Then there is this hinge. Samsung has refined this over several generations and it shows. It's sturdy, you can fold the phone at different angles, and this is going to be really useful for things like video calls or using it as a mini tripod for photos. Speaking for photos, the Flip 6 comes with dual camera setup. You have got an ultra wide and a wide camera. The main improvement here is the software with better low light performance and AI enhancements. So first impressions, the Flip 6 feels like a solid upgrade, especially if you're into foldable experience. It's premium, compact, brings some great features to the table, but of course I'll need to test it out more before giving my full review. Now, if you want to see more about how this phone performs in day-to-day use, make sure you are subscribed because I'll be doing a full review soon. And if you're interested in seeing camera quality or battery life, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching CyberCK. I'll catch you in the next video.